wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Anindya Sujayanti. My student number is 125 and my class is C. In this video, I will explain the progress of English material development based on 4 different research articles. These products are important for teachers to create effective and appropriate learning material for students. The introduction, English material development is a systematic process used by teachers to design and improve learning material. This process is important because not all material are automatically suitable for students. Teachers need to adjust them based on student level, need and learning goals. In this presentation, I will explain 4 main products, namely selecting and creating, deciding, adapting, and evaluating material. The selecting and creating theory. Based on the first article, selecting material means choosing the most appropriate content for students. Meanwhile, grading refers to organizing the material from simple to complex level. This is important because if the material are too difficult, students may feel confused, but if they are too easy, students may feel bored. Therefore, teacher must consider student proficiently level vocabulary difficult, grammar, and also learning objecting when selecting and grading material. The selecting and grading method and result. In this study, the research used a qualitative method by analyzing this material used in the second semester. The results showed that some material were not suitable for student level. For example, the student vocabulary was too difficult in the early unit, and there was no clear progression from easy to difficult. As a result, students might struggle to understand the material. So the study emphasizes that proper selection and grading are very important to support effective learning. Next is deciding theory. Based on the second article, deciding material means creating learning material from the beginning. This process usually starts with need analysis to understand what students really need. After that, teacher create clear objective, choose appropriate topic, and design activities that are interesting and interactive. With material design should also integrate for the 4 language skill that was listening, speaking, speaking, reading, and writing. So in the deciding method and result, in this study, the researcher used research and development or R&D method. This means the material were designed, test, evaluate, and then revised. The results show that well-designed material can increase student motivation and participation in class. Students also understand the material better because it is more structured and engaging. So designing is a very important step to create meaningful learning experience. Next is adapting theory. According to the third article, adapting material means modifying exciting material to make them more suitable for students. There are several ways to adapt material, such as adding new content, deleting unnecessary parts, simply difficult language, or reordering the scripts. This is important because not all material fit every classroom context. Teachers need to adjust them based on student needs and background. Next is adapting method and result. This study used a qualitative method including classroom observation and interview. The results showed that adapted material helps students understand the lesson more easily. Students also feel confident and comfortable during learning. In addition, the material become more relevant to student real-life context. Therefore, adapting material is necessary to make learning more effective and meaningful. Next is evaluating theory, method, and result. The last procedure is evaluating material. Evaluating means assessing whether the material are effective or not. In this study, the researcher used questionnaire, interview, and classroom observation. The results showed that some material were effective, but others need improvement. Student feedback also helped identify strengths and weakness. So, evaluating is important because it helps teachers improve their material constantly. So, last but not least is in conclusion. English material development is a continuous process that involves selecting, deciding, adapting, and evaluating material. Each step is interconnected and play an important role creating effective learning material. Teachers need to be flexible and creating in developing material so that students can learn more effectively. So there are the reference used in the presentation for research article. I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.